How to remove the head unit. This is the center console of the 2013 to 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLK. Prepare the tools, including the lock removal tool, T20 screwdriver, and pry. Use the lock removal tool to unscrew the ignition switch cover. Use the pry to remove the side cover. Use the T20 screwdriver to remove the two screws. Use the pry to pry the air conditioner panel and unplug connecting plug. Use the T20 screwdriver to loosen the two screws fixing the head unit. Use the pry to pry out the head unit and unplug the side cable.